How to turn off location in Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off location in Snapchat. First, open up the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Here, switch to Chat section. After that, you need to tap on the location icon given on your bottom left corner. Here, you can see your current location and location of your friends. Now, if you need to turn it off, tap on the settings icon given on your top right corner. Here, turn the ghost mode on. When you enable ghost mode, your friends can't see your last active location. Select the time until you want this mode to be on. If you want to manually turn it off, then select the option until turned off. Right below it, there is an option of hide my live location. Turn this toggle off. Now your location has been hidden on Snapchat. No one can see from where you're online. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Snapchat profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.